First, I ran into the Dollar Tree and picked up some pastel paper plates in both large and small sizes. Take 5 of the plates in the same color and stick a single clear adhesive dot onto the backside of each plate. Carefully lay out your paper plates by sticking them to the wall one by one and forming a flower shape. Select one of the smaller plates to act as the center of the flower. Continue doing this with both large and small size flowers in a variety of colors. I worked my way from the bottom to the top to create a nice decor around the door frame. Isn't that simple? Next, I grabbed some balloons in various pastel colors and blew them up to medium and large sizes. I added a piece of ribbon for a special touch. Take your clear adhesive dots and stick them onto the backside of the balloon. Start sticking the balloon one by one along the wall all the way around the door frame. There you have it, a very simple yet show-stopping way to apply beautiful decor to your next bash. I hope this inspired you to create your own DIY paper plate daisy decor and balloon wall art.
Buy a tension rod at a big box store. Fit and adjust the tension rod at the top of an open doorway in your home. And then pick up some crepe paper. Cut multiple lengths of crepe paper in different colors. You can make these as long or as short as you like. Start to tie the crepe paper onto the tension rod by folding the paper in half, wrapping the middle loop around the rod, and then pulling the tails through the loop. Alternate the colors of the crepe paper as you tie them on. You can then add other party decorations depending on the theme of your party. Take some gift package bows and stick them randomly across the top of the decorated tension rod. What better way to welcome your friends and family and guests to your party when they walk in the door of your home? Head to the hair tie and barrette section at the dollar store and pick up an even number of acrylic multi-compartment organizers. Take 2 of the organizers and face them against each other with the shorter sides on the inside. Run a bead of hot glue along the inside, top, and bottom of one of the containers. Press the front of the other container to it so they are glued securely together. Then start to glue each of the sets to each other, creating one long multi-compartment organizer. Fill all the small compartments with some water. Then take a bunch of grocery store flowers and trim the blooms so they have a 3 to 4 inch stem. Start to arrange the blooms in the various compartments of the organizer, making sure to vary the shape, size, and color of the flowers you choose. This beautiful and easy floral centerpiece is sure to make any table surface truly beautiful for entertaining. Next time you're at the grocery store, pick up a 2-liter bottle of your favorite soda. Of course, enjoy drinking the soda, but save the plastic 2-liter bottle. After cleaning the empty bottle, remove the outer label and stand it beside a glass bottle. Determine how far up on the glass bottle you would like to decorate and mark that height on the plastic bottle. Cut off the top of the plastic bottle using the marking as your guide. Slip your glass bottle into the cut plastic bottle and pour water into the space between the 2 bottles. Take a fresh flower and cut off the stem so you're left with just the bloom. Slide this flower facing out into the water-filled crevice between the bottles. Use a chopstick to gently push the bloom down toward the bottom of the bottle. Continue to add blooms around the entire bottle. You can even use single petals and leaves to create the look you want. Place the bottle into the freezer and let it freeze. I left mine in the freezer for 4 hours. Take the bottle out of the freezer and run a bit of warm water over the outside of the bottle. Then you can easily peel away the plastic bottle and you're left with a stunning icy floral serving bottle. Your beverages will be served cold and your guests will be delighted with your unique serving piece. I hope this inspired you to use inexpensive and unexpected materials to greet, serve, and entertain your guests at your next party.
Here are a few summer entertaining hacks. Start with a tin. This one used to have cookies in it. We can discard the top. Now I'm going to grab some rope from Dollar Tree and hot glue it all the way around the tin. At the very top, I'm going to create 2 handles. Now I can use this outside at a barbecue to hold napkins. Just place a rock on top of it. It's going to be a great little container. Here's a simple way to hold silverware. Grab a wide mouth mason jar and a colorful towel or cloth napkin. Roll up the towel, place it inside the mason jar, and then put your silverware right inside. It adds a little bit of color and fun to your outdoor picnic. Let's make these small Dollar Tree bins look high-end. I'm going to use some metallic silver spray paint. I'm spraying each bin inside and out to give it that nice metallic look. These bins are the perfect size to hold plates, cups, and all kinds of things for your outdoor barbecue. Grab a garden flag holder, take that flag off, and slip on a roll of paper towel. This is a great way to have paper towel at everyone's fingertips, and it's really easy to use for your summer barbecue. Grab a sand bucket from Dollar Tree and hang this on a hanging basket rod. I like the ones that can clip right to the side of the table. And I'm going to use this to hold bug spray and sunscreen for any of my guests. I hope these tips and easy projects inspired you to use them for your next summer entertaining picnic.
Grab a long length of brown craft paper and let's throw a party. Ideally, cut a length that is longer than your eating space so the ends hang over like a table runner. For a centerpiece, start by wrapping some books in a textured neutral wallpaper or thick gift wrap. Just fold the sides of the paper to fit the top and bottom of the book, and then tuck the ends over each cover of the book. With a thick marker or paint pen, write the name of each guest on top or around the plate on the paper. For a whimsical touch, outline your spoons, forks, and knives with your marker. Try sketching dinner elements onto the paper, like a bottle and a wine glass. If you are serving a certain type of cheese or appetizer, write it on the paper with a curving arrow to the cheese. I even lined the arrow with accompanying crackers that lead to my brie cheese. Stack small cookies onto a plate for a sweet nibble that's handy for your guests. And you can stack bricks of cheese with a cheese knife directly onto the paper. To go with your mismatched plates, tuck mismatched tea towels under the plates. Fill a small pitcher with colored pencils, markers, or crayons, and let your guests show their own creativity. Serve your guests a full dinner, or just let them nibble on sweet and savory treats on your craft paper tablescape. I hope this inspired you to grab a piece of paper and invite some people over for a party.